Hello everyone. In the last session, we had an overview of Tableau and some of the benefits of using. In this session, we'll be discussing in depth about these benefits and we'll be also discussing some cons of using Tableau. Starting with the advantages of Tableau. The first advantage is the data visualization. Now, Tableau is a very powerful tool when it comes to data visualization. In Tableau, you can create over 400 type of visuals provided you have the right data for creating those visuals. The second advantage is that Tableau can handle large amount of data. Unlike few business intelligence tools in the market, which are not able to process these large amount of data, Tableau does not have this limitation and it does not limit you on the amount of data that you can provide it. The third advantage of using Tableau is the ease of implementation. Tableau is renowned for its ease of implementation, which makes it a popular choice for the data visualization and analysis. Since majority of the work for creating some stunning visual is based on its drag and drop feature, which makes it very easy to operate. Then the next advantage is quickly create interactive visualization. As I have already discussed about its drag and drop functionality, it is very easy to create the visualizations in Tab. We can easily make them interactive by adding some filters on the top of our visualizations. This functionality can also help the end user to make the changes in the dashboard with the parameters they would like to see, hence which makes the visualization interactive. The next advantage of using Tableau is use of other scripting languages in Tableau. While Tableau is incredibly user-friendly and versatile, there are times when you might need to perform some complex calculations, which involves the data transformation or integration, and this would be including the use of some scripting languages. The scripting languages here comes into play like the magical spell that adds an extra layer of enhancement on the visualization. Some scripting languages that are supported and commonly used by Tableau are the R integration, Python integration, integration with SQL, Web Data Connector, and Tableau's calculation language. Using these scripting languages, you can easily perform some complex statistical analysis and predictive modeling, and you can also use Python's data manipulation and machine learning capabilities in the tab. You can use SQL queries to extract the data you need, and you can also try to gather the data with the help of Web Data Connector, and you can also perform some custom calculations with Tableau's own calculation engine. So these are the things that you can do with the help of scripting languages. The next advantage we'll be talking about is the mobile support and responsive dashboard. With Tableau's mobile support, your visualizations are no longer bound to be on the desktop screens only. Since we all are using mobile phones these days very frequently, the Tableau can adapt and transform your visualizations to look stunning even on the mobile devices. Tableau's responsive design ensures that your dashboards automatically adjust to different kind of screen sizes, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or desktop. Your visualizations will look captivating and it would be very easier to navigate on different devices. Also, mobile devices love touch, and Tableau knows how to speak the language of touch. Your interactive elements like filters and the buttons become touch enabled when you set it up for the mobile device. It's like giving your users a want to explore and interact with your data wherever they are. Tableau can also tap into the magic of location. If your device supports some location services, you can create maps that can adapt based on your current location. In terms of responsive dashboards, it can create the layout containers, device previews, hide and shows, and also dashboard actions. The next advantage of using Tableau is the high performance and low cost. Tableau's high performance engine is designed to swiftly handle the massive amount of data. Whether you are dealing with thousands or millions of records, Tableau engine ensures your visualizations remain fast and responsive. It does so with the help of parallel processing, data extracts, and compression techniques. In terms of low cost, for those seeking some budget friendly options, Tableau Public and Tableau Reader can come to the rescue. Tableau Public lets you share the visualizations publicly for free, while Tableau Reader allows colleagues to interact with your visualizations at no. Tableau offers a balance between the high performance and cost efficiency. Its strong engine, data extracts, parallel processing, and smart techniques can provide some speedy insights. Plus, the variety of deployment options, budget friendly choices, and free resources ensures you get the best without overspending. Now, let's look at some of the disadvantages of Tableau. The first disadvantage is that screen resolution on Tableau dashboards. To ensure that your dashboards look great across different screens, you might need to sometimes manually adjust some different elements like font sizes, layouts, and spacing. This can be sometimes time consuming, especially if you need to maintain multiple versions of your dashboards and some different resolutions are there. Then the next disadvantage is scaling and pricing of the enterprise. Tableau's pricing is often user based. This means you pay some extra amount for the numbers of users accessing and interacting with the platform. The pricing tier is dependent of what kind of features you choose and what kind of features are required by each user. Then we have the limited data. Tableau provides simplified data pre-processing capabilities, which enables basic tasks like data cleaning, calculated fields, and missing value handling. However, for more advanced transformation, it's beneficial to leverage external tools such as Tableau Prep or ETL solutions to ensure the comprehensive data preparation is done before visualization. The next disadvantage is no custom visual imports. Now, Tableau does not support importing custom visuals or plugins directly into its interface. Unlike some other visualization tools, Tableau's functionality is primarily built up around its native visualization and features. While you can't integrate any external custom visuals directly, Tableau's extensive library of native visualizations and customization options allows you to create a wide range of compelling visual insights using its built-in capability. The next disadvantage is custom formatting in Tab. Custom formatting in Tableau can sometimes be a double-edged sword, as extensive customization might lead to inconsistencies and reduce clarity in your visualization. While it offers flexibility to match your branding, excessive formatting could distract the data itself and you not be able to interpret the insights very easily. So, striking a balance between these customizations and clear communication is very crucial to ensure that your visualizations remain effective and easy to understand. The next disadvantage is static and single value parameters. In Tableau, static and single value parameters can be limiting in certain scenarios. A static parameter can allow you to put a fixed set of values, but these values don't change dynamically based on the data or user interaction. Similarly, a single value parameter lets you choose only one value at a time, which restricts interactivity and exploring multiple scenarios. These limitations can hinder the dynamic nature of data analysis and visualization, which can prevent the user from fully exploring the different data aspects and insights within the data. The next disadvantage is no automatic refreshing of reports. One notable drawback of Tableau is the automatic report refreshing capability. Unlike some other platforms, Tableau doesn't allow the automatic update of reports in real time as the new data becomes available to us. Instead, user needs to manually refresh the data source and reports to ensure that they reflect the latest information. This can lead to some outdated insights if user forgets to refresh the data regularly, which can impact the accuracy and readability of the visualization which is being present. So I hope these pros and cons of Tableau were clear to you. And in the ever evolving landscape of data visualization tools, Tableau still stands as a dynamic companion which can offer a wide range of visualization and powerful insights. As any tool, it brings some strengths and limitation to the table. By harnessing its advantages and navigating around its drawback, user can create some compelling data stories that can illuminate the pathways from some informed decisions. And remember, the magic lies not in the tool itself, how skillfully it is wielded to transform the raw data into some meaningful understanding. So that is all for this session. In the next video, we will be talking about some applications of Tab.